Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making one of my absolute favorite shrimp dishes, braised prawns in oil. Any shrimp lovers here? You've got to learn this one. The bright red shells, the glossy sauce clinging to every bite. It's the kind of dish that makes you want to grab a piece right off the plate. Alright, let's get started. First, we will remove the tiny legs along the belly and heads. Then, from the second joint on the back, snip it open and pull out that black vein, the shrimp's digestive tract. Next, slice up some fresh ginger into strips. Now for the sauce, super simple. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Give it a good stir, and that's it. Our prep is done. I've listed all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description box, so you can check them there. Oh, one important tip. Pat the shrimp completely dry before cooking. Otherwise, you might get splattered with hot oil. Alright, work on high heat. Oil nice and hot. In go the shrimp. Hear the sizzle? That's the sound of deliciousness. Once one side turns that beautiful red, flip them over and do the other side. When they are golden red all over and you see some shrimp oil coming out, toss in the ginger strips. That aroma hits you right away. Now add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Let the alcohol evaporate. Then pour in the sauce we just mixed. Let it simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. It gets rid of any fishiness and adds fragrance. Put the lid on and let it cook on low for about 3 minutes. Look at that! The sauce is thick and glossy, just clinging to the shrimp. Time to plate up. Oh wow! No extra water, just the pure, concentrated flavor of shrimp. Alright, let me try one for you. The shrimp is so juicy, the sauce so flavorful. Whether you are eating alone or serving guests, this dish is guaranteed to impress. Give it a try at home, you will thank me later. Thanks for watching, see you next time.